Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to write a multiple lines or how to write a two lines on your single cell in your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to write multiple lines in one cell or how to write two lines on the one cell. So, for an example, here we can choose the 8th cell. So here I'm just going to type out something like that, okay? So it's actually on single line. If you just make it, or if you just click on this next symbol, enter symbol, it will go to the next cell. So instead of that, you just need to click on the cell first and just click on this other section. Just go to the home section, just swipe to the bottom section, and here you can find the option called wrap text. Click on this, which automatically wrap the text. So if you just need to change this, just click on date option. So this is the one of the way that you can just wrap the text. For an example, here I'm just going to type of glance in the like that, and I just click OK. Now just click on this arrow section, just home section, click on the wrap text. It automatically brings the next line to the second line. This is how you just write a multiple lines or two lines on your single cell in your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.